Welcome to Capones Island. This is one of the islands in Pundakit, Zambales, San Antonio, Zambales. And isang island po ay tinatawag nilang Camara Island, which we will upload later po. Then this is Capones Island. I had my mermaid moment with my husband's drone shots. And this one is like one of the most beautiful island I've ever seen. The clear waters, the big boulders of stones, and the stone mountains. You will truly be relaxed. And sa inuupuan ko po, magandang maganda po talaga yung view. When makikita nyo po yung bundok, yung bato, yung tubig pa ay sobrang linaw. And if you wanted to visit this island, marami pong resort na nag-aabang po sa inyo. Meron pong The Sands, The Cove, Playa Alba, and many more resorts po na medyo affordable. Pero kung may budget po kayo, sa The Sands po kayo, talagang maganda po doon. And yung bangka naman po is you'll be able to have the boat per head. I forgot kung magkano po yung per head, pero kung gusto nyo kayo lang po yung nasa bangka, you can pay po 2,500 or less. Bahala po kayo kung ilan po yung ibibigay nyo sa bangka, since yung amin po is dalawa lang po kami, so 2,500. Then mababait naman po sila. Then you can stay on the island as much as you want. So if you wanted to stay there for an hour, 2 hours, okay lang po sa kanila as long as early po kayo doon. Then bring your own food, and you can relax in there, enjoy the sea water na sobrang linaw. And here po, medyo mababa po yung pagpapalipad ng asawa ko sa drone. Medyo atakihin po ako sa puso. Sinasabi ko sa kanya, please naman taasan mo. Wala na tayong pambili. Then, meron po kaming mga kasama dyan sa kabilang bangka. At sana naman po, we noticed as we are going around these islands na maganda po ang island, but marami po yung basura na iniiwan ng mga visitors. As we responsible people, when we see that this beautiful island stayed in there for a very long time without any trash, sana naman po dalhin nyo po yung mga basura nyo. Huwag po kayong mag-iwan ng ni isang basura. Kung pwede po, dalhin nyo po lahat ng basura na dala nyo. Kung ano yung hitsura ng island nang pumunta kayo doon, please dalhin nyo po lahat ng basura, dahil medyo nakakalungkot na ang island ay napakaganda pero may mga basura na dala ng mga bumibisita doon. So I hope you enjoy watching the video, and we will be uploading more videos since this is a late upload na. And I hope you love watching the scenery. Thank you so much. Have a good day.